We are in Serpent 4 of France. Let's do this. Ooh, wait. Interesting. Can we read anything here? Let's do Taiwanese. We're really in Taiwan. Is this Japan? I'm not sure. Actually, I'm not sure. Is Japan? Is Taiwan? Is it pretty low to the ground? I'm not sure again. I'm not sure. Yeah, probably Japan. But where? Yeah, it's Japan. Ooh. Local candidates here. Can you find any signs, please? Like showing us where could we be? Oh, okay, that's a sign. Bixby put up number 4. It's probably hard to find because it's probably hard to find. Bixby put up number 4. Ooh, man, we found it. Yikes. It's north Sendai. Actually found it too early. Oh well. It's near Sendai. It's further north. I guess too early. Found the big space put up number 4. But we are now. It's Palestine. Must be Palestine, right? Jordan. What do you think? Wait, there's like a sea in the south. That's interesting. That be the Dead Sea. That be the Dead Sea. What do you think? This was like Jesus Christ. We found that. Amazing. Try to guess Jordan. It's probably Israel. It's not Fado. Ooh, it's further north. Oh man. Okay, rush. We are a little closer than our point is. So we take round 2. Round 3 now. Right, so driving the right side of the road. San Onofre. San Onofre is interesting. Conchal. San Onofre, okay, Colombia. Can we find San Onofre in Colombia? Is where could it be? San Onofre in Colombia. Maybe near a river. Definitely. El Corchal and San Onofre. Then maybe by the sea. Looks kind of dark, right? San Onofre and El, what's that? El Corchal. You think it would be? No mountains around though, so it must be to the north. Other mountains. San Onofre and El Corchal. Can't find it. Ooh, you're so near though. That's nice. That's a nice guess. It's just brilliant guess. You're so near San Onofre. I'm going to do this. It's good. Probably Panama. Ano? I don't want to. Pretty north though. Must be to north though. I have no idea where we are. Sun is to the north. What could it be? White car. What am I gonna say, man? Oh no. Let's do the north. Could be anywhere. What are these? What? We're in New Zealand? Maybe. So let's to the north. It's way too north. Maybe Chile though. Maybe Australia. But anyway. Oh, it's New Zealand. It's Chile. Wow. Such a Chile. Wow, that's a scary round. Anyway, we got here. The rural. There's a sign. Sign though. Signs help us. I mean, what? Oops. I'll try to read this. Makeup, manicure, salon. I think this is. Yeah. This is the Netherlands though. Hopefully, we can decipher some information. Could be. Anyway. Hopefully it's in the Netherlands. Please. Yes! Let's go. We're near. An opponent is, apparently. Seems. Double damage now. So we are. Is this Russia again? Oh no. This is Russia. Oh no. So I gotta say. This is wrong antenna. Lots of bollards and intersections. Must be Russia. But where? Okay. Oh, it's Russia indeed. Where do you find these landscapes? Where do you find these kinds of landscapes, please? Someone help me. Right, there's a car. Probably won't catch up with that car. It's Russia. Where? Even sure if this is east or west. I have no idea. Maybe if this is Japanese cars, we'll guess eastern or west. Alright. Just check out this car. Oh, we see the driver's seat. Man. Good strategy, I'm not sure. I hope so. Yes! That's nice. It's Sinchita though. That's enough for game. Yes! Let's break it that down. Japan got beaten there. Ah man, it's a nice guess. It was really a guess. Just to shoot the river. I don't know, Black Mountains probably. Oof. Okay, it's very good. Steering wheel check.